Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Hope you are having a fantastic week. And right now, first things first, our thoughts and prayers go out from the entire Corvette community to all the people in Illinois, Kentucky, Missouri, and that Midwest surrounding region that got impacted by these deadly tornadoes. Some of the footage coming out of the Midwest is just heartbreaking, and some of the video, some of the drone footage, it's truly just havoc and decimation. The biggest and most important thing for all of us to do is try to come together and provide any aid that we can to the Midwest region, whether that comes through government or private organizations. So definitely stay on top of that and support any charitable efforts to try to help the people that got harmed by the events of last night. Myself being a Corvette channel, I don't usually like to dramatize news. I'm not really somebody that posts anything other than vlog content and ownership experience around my C8 Corvette, but I wanted to jump on this information as it's become available in the last couple of hours. I won't beat around the bush, but I will just get straight to the facts. Second and third shift is canceled for the week of December 13th. First shift at this time is unknown. UAW, Corvette, and General Motors have put out an official statement outlining that there were sustained damages to the Corvette assembly plant, and for that they currently don't know when they're going to be able to get back to full capacity. They hope that their experienced and trained team can kind of get things up and rolling after 1 week of downtime, but again, right now, all they've given us is that the week of December 13th, second and third shift will be canceled. An official entity of the Corvette plant has also gone on record confirming that there was a fire on the rooftop that was caused by the tornado activities of last night. And I know it's hard waiting for the Corvette, and it's such a great car, but right now I think that is the least priority. What is most important is maintaining the safety of plant employees, and it's great to see that General Motors is jumping right on top of that. Additionally, the National Corvette Museum is going to be closed this coming Saturday. I believe they're probably going to stay closed right through the weekend, but they haven't made that an official statement. The museum was spared from a lot of significant damage, but the facility is just without power right now, and until that comes back, they can't really do much. Sadly, the NMC Motorsports Parkway is very damaged. The Motorsports Park took a beating, and I mean, there was some significant damage. You can look at this image. I mean, at this point, they're closed today, and until following statement, there is going to be no update on when they're going to come back to full or even remote operating capacity. They're still evaluating the damage. I mean, you can just look at some of these pictures. Vehicles are turned over sideways. Entire roofs and wall structures are completely obliterated. Looking at this picture, there's just roofs that flapped right open and on top of other Corvettes that were parked outside. Garage doors just got ripped off cars. If you can see this black Corvette in the far right corner, that's the inside of the building that's completely exposed. Another quick image of the parking lot, you can see just the amount of debris everywhere, the things that got thrown around. It's just frightening to think that this happened in the middle of the night when there's no light outside. It's completely dark. Some of the video you can see here, these tornadoes are the size of entire sports fields. It's just a wide area that they're covering, EF2, EF3s across a large area, so it becomes difficult for first responders to respond to emergency in that time. So to recap, officially the week of the 13th, second and third shift for the C8 Corvette assembly plant is canceled. This is all the official information that is out right now. More will come out in the coming days, and I'll provide updates on Instagram. Just looking at some of this drone footage, it's just truly heartbreaking. Right now, our thoughts and prayers go out to all those impacted, and we as Americans have to come together in times like this to support those in need. So please, please, please find your way to support anyone out there, whether it's donating perishables to a charitable organization, sending supplies out there, or if you're able to, going out there and volunteering if you're within vicinity. With that said, that's all I have for today's video. So only thing I have for an outro is to keep everyone impacted in your thoughts and prayers and do whatever you can to help out.